Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to cross out text in Discord. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you have to do is simply go to the message or channel in which you want to send the crossed out text. If you want to send the message to anyone, you can simply tap on the message icon that you can see at top. Now you can simply tap on the person that you want to send the message to, or you can simply go to the server of your choice. Now what you have to do is tap on the channel in which you want to send the crossed out text. Now you can see over here that particular channel will be opened. You can see over here I've sent the crossed out text over here. So if you want to send the crossed out text like that, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the message bar that you can see at bottom. Now what you have to do is simply type in two tildes. Tilde is basically this kind of symbol that you can see right over here on your keyboard. Now after you do that, give a space. Now simply type in your message over here. Now what you have to do is give the tildes again. Enter two tildes. After you do that, tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your text will be crossed out. So like this, you'll be able to cross out the text. So that is how you cross out text in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.